This mazurka is light, graceful, and full of gentle humor. It's not dramatic, it's conversational. A quiet celebration of life's small, beautiful steps. This isn't a gallop. Feel the second and third beat in mazurka style, but don't exaggerate it. The mazurka rhythm is there, it dances, but it should feel natural. Like someone humming while walking the Polish mountains, imagining a performance of a Polish folk music band. Play with a soft wrist and active fingers. Avoid weight. C major gives this piece natural brightness. Use that to your advantage, keep your pedaling light, your voicing clear. It should feel like lacework. Detailed but never heavy. Chopin invites you to repeat with invention. Change your voicing slightly. Adjust the timing, add a shade of rubato. Think of it as telling the same joke again, but this time with a different intonation or a raised eyebrow. Be sure that the left hand melody lines speak as freely as the ones in the right hand. The ending shouldn't draw attention to itself. No ritardando, no emphasis, just a simple step into silence. Like saying goodbye with a knowing smile. This mazurka teaches lightness, not just of technique, but of spirit. To play this mazurka well, you need joy, but refined joy with just the right amount of humor. Let it sparkle, don't overstate it, and the dance will linger long after the last note fades. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and press the bell button to stay up to date. See you soon, and have an amazing day.